In this lesson, we'll be learning about how to solve systems by using substitution. Okay, so here are the steps, so you can look back to double check to make sure you're doing it correctly. So we first want to solve an equation for one variable. Okay, pick the easier one to get alone. Then we're going to substitute into the other equation. We're going to solve, and then we're going to plug the variable back in. Okay, so once we do that, we're going to substitute our ordered pair into both equations. So let's go ahead and see what we can do with this. So if I look at the first one here, I see that here x is already by itself. Okay, so I have one variable alone. So now I know that x is equal to 3y minus 6. So in my second equation here, instead of this x, I'm going to substitute in 3y minus 6. Okay, so here's what I'm going to change. 3y minus 6, I'm going to put it in parentheses because I'm substituting for x, plus 3y is equal to 12. Okay, so now I can combine terms. Here I have 3y plus 3y, so I have 6y minus 6 is equal to 12. Okay, now I'm going to solve for y. 6y is equal to 18. So now y must be equal to 3. Okay, so now I have 1, I have y equals 3. So I'm going to plug this back into the other equation. Okay, so now I have x is equal to 3y minus 6. So I know that y is equal to 3. So I'm going to plug in my 3 for my y. Sorry, this is minus. So now I have 9 minus 6 is equal to x. X is equal to 3. Okay, so now here I have x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3. So my point is 3, 3. So this point here represents where these lines intersect if you were to graph them. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so the first step says that I need to get a variable alone. Okay, so it looks like this equation would be easier to get x alone because 3x equals 9. All I have to do is divide by 3. So now I have x is equal to 3. Okay, so I'm going to substitute x is equal to 3 into my second equation.